Michelle Marar here with you today. I wanted to share with you how you can quickly pay down debt. Had an idea, wanted to share it with you, and let's take a look at it, okay? I got this in all three of these in the mail. I got the Bank of America, and it is 0% for 21 months. I got American Express 0% for 15 months. And I got the Chase 0% for 12 months. So I had to open all of that because I had to see what the fees were so I could share it with you, okay? Now, I am making some assumptions, but let's take a look at this. I was looking at a car loan for $11,073.10. Got three credit cards, one 560, one 1232, one 22318, okay? That added up to $4,111.08. I know you can't see my board so clearly, but I can see it, and I want you to just get the gist of it. You would have to do this on your own, or if you need some help, I would be glad to help you. Just reach out to me. But look, we are assuming that we could get $3,000 worth of credit on all three of those cards, get accepted, and we are off to the races, okay? So the first 3,000 I'm going to take from the car loan, and I'm going to put it on the Bank of America at 21 months, okay? Then I'm going to take 3,000 of the credit card debt and put it at 15 months, and then the remainder $1,111 on the 12-month offer. Okay? And because the 12-month offer, you want to get it paid off quickly. Okay, look. When I go up here and I do 3,000 divided by 21, because why did I do divided by 21 is because you don't have to pay the thing off until 21 months. But the equal payments to make sure that you would pay it off is $143. I just divided 3,000 by 21, and then I divided 3,000 by 15, and it comes out to $200. 1,111 divided by 12 is $93. Now I applied Dave Ramsey's snowball effect on the payment system, okay? I added $200. I'm going to add $200 to the lowest one, the 1,111. And the reason is because with the debt snowball, you want to apply it to the lowest amount first because you want to get that win. Get the win, okay? So, and $200. How do you get $200? I don't care how you get $200. Just get your $200. You can do it through you can do a little DoorDash or a little Uber or whatever, or you can do a little eBay, anything to get that 200 extra dollars. You can cut your cost of different things to come up with the $200. But you're going to add $200, or if you can do more, you can do more. But I'm just doing $200 because that's really $200 in a month's time is $50 more a week. Maybe you could ask for a raise of $50 more a week. Maybe. So anyhow, you get that extra $200. And the 1,111 divided by 293, look how I did it. 200 plus 93 is 293. And that would pay that debt off in 4 months' time. Then I take the 3,000 and I subtract 800 because we have, it's taken us 4 months. And 4 months times 200 is $800. So 3,000 minus 800, so we're at 2,200 on the second one. And that 2,200 divided by 200 plus 293, that is $493. You gotta stay with adding the 200 and adding the other debt that you've paid off, snowball effect in it. So we got 493, and that debt, that second debt, is paid off in 5 months. So you add 5 and 4, and that is 9 months. And let me make sure. The 143 times 9 is 1,287. So 300 minus, because you've already paid that because you were paying the other debts all along, right? So 3,000 minus 1,287 is $1,713. You divide that by 636 because you add all of it together. You're adding your extra 200. 636 going toward that debt, and you have paid it off in 3 months' time. So let's add it up. 9, 5 and 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 year. You didn't take the 21 months. You took 1 year, and you've paid it all off. And let's assume, because I've had these credit card companies do this with me before, because I have used a 0% transfer fee and let me pay it off in whatever amount of time that they tell me that they will give it to me. They will say, hey, Michelle, you've paid it off. You want to do it again? You want to do it again? Because look, you still have the car loan, that you still have money that you have to pay. Okay, so this one is with, let's assume that Chase, Amex, and Bank of America all say, hey, Michelle, you've paid off these debts. You're not using the cards. How about, do you have any other credit cards that you would like to pay off if we give you 0%? And let's assume they give you the same deal of the 21 months for free, 15 months, and 12 months. So you take, what I did is I subtracted the 3 from the 11,000 because we paid off 3,000 from the original 11. That gave you 8. And I'm assuming you're paying your car payment. You're continuously paying your car payment. But look, and I'm just showing you this because I don't know what it would be. I haven't done the math. I don't know what it would be. Okay, this is just an example. So you're at 8,073.10. You take the first 3,000 and it's going to 21 months. And that would give you 5,073.10. And then you take the second 3,000 and you divide it by 15, and that's going to give you the other $200, just like before. But this time you have a balance of $2,073.10. The $2,073.10 divided by 12 is 172. It's a little bit more than the last time, but hey, we're paying down debt, so you shouldn't have gone back into debt. So you address the $2,073.10 first, okay? So that would be 172 plus the 200. That would equal $372, and that would get you that $2,073 paid off in 6 months' time. Now the 3,000, and you subtract 1,200 because 6 times 200 is 1,200. That would give you 1,800 after you've paid off the first of the car debt. Now the second of the car debt is 1,800 divided by 200 plus 372. You just keep snowball effect. You have the 200 plus the 372. That equals 572. 572 into 1,800 will only take you an additional 4 months. So you're at 10 months right now. And the 3,000, and you say 10 times 143 is 1,430 that you've already paid. You're down to your last $1,570 left. You divide that by the 143 plus the 572, which is equal to $715, and you basically pay that off in 3 months. It's a little less than 3 months, but I rounded it up. Okay, I wanted to make sure that you were totally out of debt with your car loan and your credit cards in basically a little over 2 years. Boom, you are out of debt. Assuming that you can stay within your means and not go into any more debt, this would have you totally out of debt of your car loan and your credit cards in a little over 2 years, and that's $15,000. Now, look, hey, the easiest, quickest way is if you had an additional $15,184. If you were able to get that, then you could pay it off immediately, right? And you don't have to worry about any of the 0%. This is just to give you an idea, to show you how you could use those 0% credit card offers to get out of debt without paying a lot more in interest at a time when the interest rates are going way sky high. That is just an idea that I wanted to share with you. And let's cap it off with a little song that you may remember, a little song that you may think about. Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Hey, I'll see you later. Share this. Tell me what you think. Could you pay off your credit card debt with just that $200 extra and getting the least amount of payments that you're paying in interest? Think about it. Comment below. Share the video. Subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.